Stacy here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video is day 3 of the September release previews, and today we have Adam. I think you are spooktacular. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I'm like, I wear bifocals, so it's kind of hard to see and read my own writing. So is this not the funnest release and the perfect release for this time of year? I know for a lot of people, spooky season started like October 1st, and I am here for it. Listen, I am never one of those people that are like, it's too early to decorate. If my husband would let me, I would leave my Christmas tree up year round because it makes me happy. So anyway, I'm going to share with you the final preview. We're going to go over the entirety of the release. And so yeah, so if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for Stencil Club if you want any or part of this release. Stamp Club if you want any or part of this release. We also have Stencil Club. All of that is linked down below. Facebook group, all of the other social media. And if you're interested in holiday cards, be sure to find me at the Jolly-Fit Elf. I'll link my channel down below. So yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment, subscribe, and let's head over to the craft table for day 3. And then I will see you back here next Friday for our first Fanny Friday using. All right, friends, it's day 3, and for day 3 we have Adam. I think you are spooktacular. So it has the little eyeballs, and this mask is for his. I mean, it should fit all of them, but he and his wife are the ones that were in the movie. I do remember that. So yeah. Okay, so let me go back everything. Don't forget, in every release we have 3 chibis. We have their coordinating dies. For the most part, last month there was a little hiccup, but that's not an everyday thing. We've got the stencil, the word die, the build die. So for this month, we have Web of Spiders. We've got the spooky ooky, I shouldn't say that, the spooky word die. We've got the Graveyard Builder die. We've got the Ghost with the most. We've got Lydia. I myself am strange and unusual. And Adam, I think you are spectacular. I think this is funny. I just got this because isn't she in Stranger Things? I don't know. I don't watch TV. I either watch YouTube or read or make videos. That's what I do. So anyway, that's it, friends. That's it for the September release. I'm going to go through it again. Stamp Club. There are 3 different price levels. You can either get just the stamps, you can get the stamps and the dies, or you can get everything. Along with that, you get all sorts of discounts and all sorts of fun goodie stuff, and all of that is linked in the description box down below. There's Stencil Club, where you get 3 exclusive stencils every month. This collection is live. So if you sign up for Stamp Club, you can sign up to get this collection, or you can sign up to get the next one. It is up to you, and I believe it's billed automatically, but you can find all that information there. What else? Facebook group, Facebook page, Instagram, all of the things. So don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know if there's any techniques, etc., that you'd like to see me do with this release. I'm always excited to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We are inching forward to 700 so we can have our giveaway. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, all of the things. Thank you for joining us. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. We will see you next Friday for Fanny Friday. Bye for now.